of Uganda has officially launched the Greater Luwero Investment Forum.
As His Excellency the President has been telling you and all the people of Uganda, wealth and jobs are in the four sectors of commercial agriculture with Echibalo, Aimar, Otita, or Churura. And it should be intensive or extensive. The second sector is manufacturing, industry, or artisanship. The third one is services, i.e. tourism, hotel, transport, etc. And the fourth is ICT, where you can do jobs by outsourcing. Today, in Luwero Triangle alone, we have slightly over 500 factories scattered across Nakasongola, Luwero itself here, Nakaseke, Bombo, Kapeka, etc. And Kapeka alone has over 40 industries. And as you have seen the products there, these factories are processing agricultural products, including sugar, which we export, animal feeds, ceramics, clothes, shoes, tissues, tiles, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, in 1996, when NRM and His Excellency the President and his team started, specifically with Mr. Murwana James, there were only 80 factories in the whole country. All the 145 districts, there were only 80 factories. So we have a reason to celebrate today, to thank God, to pay gratitude to Him, as it was done by religious leaders here. And I congratulate religious leaders and all the people of Luwero for their achievement. I now take this opportunity to launch the Greater Luwero Investment Forum.
The Greater Luwero Investment Forum.
And I would like also in the same vein to launch the Greater Luwero Pastors Investment Circle.
The Greater Luwero Investment Circle.
Your Excellency.